What is going on, guys? Paul James here, and in this video I'm going to show you one of the fastest ways to make $10,000 in 2024. Stick around with me because we have some cool AI tools to share that are going to help make this process even easier and help you get started in a fraction of the time. Also, if you have been wondering where I've been, I'm mostly active on Instagram these days, so if you're not following me there yet, go ahead and follow me at Hello Paul James. And if you like this style of video where I show you how to make money and I show you in-depth tutorials, then make sure you leave a comment below and let me know that so that I know to keep making this kind of content for you. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to drop that below because I'm happy to answer any questions as well. All right, so what I would do is if I was starting over and I wanted to make $10,000 as fast as possible, one of the things I would do is come up with something to sell. And when you're thinking about what to sell, you have to either pick physical product or a digital product or a service. Today, we're going to focus on a digital product. We don't talk a lot about digital products on this channel, but there's an AI tool that makes selling digital products pretty easy, so I thought that would be a cool opportunity to explore this product more and try it out and show you how you might come up with an idea. Now, if you're struggling to come up with a niche to target or an audience to tap into to make your course around, one of the best ways to do that is to just tap into something that's super evergreen, like something to do with health. That could be weight loss, it could be fitness, it could be eating more in a different way or healthier. That could be finances is another evergreen niche, so that could be making more money, saving money, investing. Or it could be jumping into something like relationship, and this could be getting your ex back, or it could be having a better relationship, things like that. So with that being said, let's pick one of those three just because it's going to be something that's evergreen, that we're going to be able to make content around, and that we can actually come up with a course around. So I'm going to use this tool, Learning Studio AI, to actually help create my course. Now, I've covered this tool on my Instagram before a while ago. So again, if you haven't heard of this tool before, it's just another reason you should be following my Instagram because I cover tools like this often and you could learn about things a lot sooner than now. So definitely go follow me at Hello Paul James. But let's say we want to enter the relationship niche space and we're going to be talking to people about relationship advice on our social media. And don't worry if you're worried about like creating videos and stuff. We'll talk more about that. You can create videos without even showing your face or having to do any of the talking by using ChatGPT. But before we even get to that part, we need to actually create a course. So let's just say we're going to come up with a course on how to get your ex back. So I'm going to type that subject into Learning Studio AI and I'm going to click Create Course. Now, all you have to do is just wait. You can go grab a coffee or go for a drive and then come back. It'll be done within like a minute or two. Okay, and just like that, we have our course. Now, the cool part about this is that it's all laid out with an overview. It has chapters here, so you can see understanding, improving, rebuilding, practice, wrap-up, quiz. So all of this is done, and that's what's really cool. And you can see it looks really, really good. And it's awesome that it has a quiz built in with it as well, so it gets people interactive. And of course, we can then go and share it or download it right here. So we have that part of it done. We now know what we're going to sell, but now we have to come up with a way to sell it. Now, the way that I like to sell things, and you've probably seen this if you've watched any of my content, especially my content on Instagram, is I usually like to drive people over to some sort of opt-in. So your opt-in can be like something that you give away for free. It could be talking about more resources. It could be just a quick like PDF. But if you can come up with something to give away and put it on an opt-in page like this, so basically like they would click this button, they would enter in their email, and then they get that free thing. What you can do is after you give them that free thing, you can redirect them to an opportunity to buy your actual course. So I recommend building out one of these, and the tool that I use to build these out is called High Level. I'll leave a link below to a free trial to High Level in my description of this video. And High Level is good because not only is it going to take care of building out the actual landing pages for you, but it's going to also give you a way to email the people that enter in their email in that form, which means you're able to follow up with them because people don't usually buy just on the first visit. You're going to have to follow up with some emails in order to keep presenting them with your course to actually get them to buy. So if I actually click edit on this, I'll just show you just so you get an idea of how easy it is to build one of these pages out. And you can also use this to build out any sales pages you want for your course as well. But it's as easy as drag and dropping things around. So for example, we're talking about how to get your X back. I might change this to say free report details, secret strategy to get your X back this week. And we could go ahead and change the button to say something else as well. Instead of saying get them free, we might say download the report. Okay, so it's that easy. Things can just be dragged around, moved around, dragged around by just grabbing it and moving it around. So you can see that having something like this is definitely a must, and rather than like going and investing in like a different website builder, this one's really nice because it's going to have the CRM built right into it so that you can actually collect the emails when they click the button and then be able to reach out and contact people as well. So again, I'll leave a link to that website builder below and CRM system. It's called High Level. I'll leave a link so that you can go and jump in on a free trial of it so that you can get started selling your course that we built with AI today. Okay, so we have our course built and we have our opt-in page built. So we have a way to actually like get people coming in. We have something to sell them. How are we going to get the traffic? Well, that's why I recommend you use an AI tool like ChatGPT to help you come up with social media content, because what you really want to be doing is you want to be posting content to all social media platforms. And if you don't want to show your face, you can actually use AI to help you get content out there. So what you want to do is you want to go into ChatGPT and we want to go onto this Explore GPTs page. Now, this is like the app store for ChatGPT. So if I go in here, there's an app called InVideo, which I've been using a lot lately in my videos here. You've seen me use them before if you've watched the channel before. But if we click it, we can actually come up with an idea. So if I say something like, let's create a YouTube Shorts video. So I could say something like, help a guy get a girl back who's not texting back. So now InVideo is going to get to work and it's going to start making this short form video for us on this specific topic. Now I have another video that I made before this. If you go check out my channel, it was a video right before this one on how I come up with different video ideas if I'm trying to create content for social media. So if you're having trouble coming up with ideas, you should go watch that video. All right, let's hit confirm. So there we go. We came up with a video idea. And InVideo made it and called it Winning Her Back, Tips When She's Not Texting. So perfect. We just click watch the video. We can go and then download the video that it makes, and then we can upload it to our social media account. And of course, in that video, we need to be pointing people back to our free opt-in page. So make sure that you do that as well. Throw it in the description of your videos or in the comment and pin it to the top so that people can then go and jump into your freebie and that you can start collecting emails and of course, ultimately selling your course. All right, so with that being said, I want to give you guys a quick recap of everything we covered today. I know it was kind of a lot. So number one is to get started, you're going to want to create a course in an evergreen niche. We talked about that being like health, it could be wealth, or it could be relationships. Step two is you're going to want to set up an opt-in page and a sales page using something like High Level. Again, High Level is what I use in this video. I really like it because it has not only the website builder, but the CRM built in so that you can contact your customers. So then you're not having to pay for multiple different things. And also I have a free trial in the description. So go check that out. That way you can get started and start making money before you have any expenses. Step three is you're going to create YouTube and IG and TikTok content using ChatGPT, like I showed you in this video. I personally would focus on short form content because that's going to give you the most bang for your buck, the most time value, and you can keep coming up with these mini ideas and have ChatGPT create the content for you. And then step four is from that content, you're going to push people to your opt-in page that you made in High Level so that you can start collecting emails and then emailing people and pushing them back to your course to get them to buy. Now, again, guys, if you like this video, be sure to comment. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're not following me on Instagram yet, it's over at @HelloPaulJames. I post a lot of short form content there and share a lot of different AI tools, so make sure to follow me there. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. I am Paul James. Peace out.